What if you could bring an entire business idea to life using only AI? Today, I'll show you how I built a full coffee shop concept from brand story and name to design and mood using ChatGPT and Midjourney. What if you could bring an entire business idea to life using only AI? That's exactly what I tried to do. I asked ChatGPT and Midjourney to help me design a full Scandinavian coffee brand, from name and concept to visuals and mood. And the results surprised me. I started with a simple prompt in ChatGPT. Create a brand concept for a modern Scandinavian coffee shop that feels calm, minimalist, and design-focused. Within seconds, it gave me something I loved. A place called NORD BREW, a coffee shop built around calm energy, worn design, and slow moments. The slogan? Coffee, calm, connection. And I thought, yes, that's exactly what I want this to feel like. Then I asked ChatGPT to go deeper. Who is the customer? What emotions do they connect to? It described people who crave aesthetic simplicity, who love design, quiet mornings, and meaningful details. It even suggested how the interior should reflect that mood: natural wood, soft light, matte ceramics. Everything designed for comfort and focus, not chaos. At that moment, I realized I wasn't just talking to a machine. I was talking to a mirror of creativity. Next, I opened Midjourney and asked it to show me this world. My prompt was simple: modern Scandinavian coffee shop interior, natural wood, soft beige tones, warm, minimalist aesthetic. And within seconds, it came to life. The grain of the tables, the glow from the lights, the calm energy of the space. It was like seeing the idea I had only imagined suddenly made real. That's when I realized something powerful. AI doesn't replace creativity, it reveals it. In less than an hour, I had a complete creative direction: name, story, mood, colors, materials, a foundation for a brand that could exist tomorrow. That's what I love about this process. AI doesn't do the thinking for you. It helps you think with more clarity. It's like adding a second mind that speaks in visuals, and when creativity and intelligence meet, something new begins to happen. So if you've ever dreamed of starting your own brand or bringing an idea to life, this is your sign to try it. Start small. Ask questions. Experiment. Because creativity doesn't belong to the few anymore. It belongs to the curious. I'm Kaia Nohr, and this is where creativity meets intelligence. Subscribe for more experiments and tell me in the comments, what should I create next?